Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Welcome to my YouTube video of Spoken English Challenge course. I hope you are fine by the grace of Allah. Today I'm going to discuss about some important casual vocabulary words and their definitions and their synonyms as well. We will discuss about some easy synonym words of English words, and also we will discuss about some difficult or fancy English words and their vocabulary with proper definitions and their synonyms. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. But before going to start this video, please go to my channel and subscribe it and share with your friends and your colleagues. Number one vocabulary is abundant. What is the word abundant? Present in great quantity or more than enough is called abundant. And its synonyms is plentiful, ample, or copious. And mind, it is not synonym, it's a synonym. The next word is capable. What is the word? Capable. Having the ability or power or capacity to do something is called capable. And what is the alternative word or the synonym of capable? It is able or competent and qualified. The next word is coherent. What is the word? Coherent. It means that logical and consistent or persistent and easy to understand. What is the synonym of coherent? Clear, intelligible and understandable. And the next word is diligent. What is the word? Diligent. It means hardworking and thorough in one's work or duties. And what is the synonym of diligent? It's called industrious or hardworking and consistent and persistent and assiduous. And the next one is empathy. Empathy. The ability to understand and share the feelings of another is called empathy. What is the synonym of empathy? It means compassion, understanding, and sensitivity. The next word is jubilant. What is the word? Jubilant. Feeling or expressing great happiness and triumph is called joy and jubilation. What is the synonym of jubilation? It means ecstatic, elated, happier, and overjoyed. The next word is magnify. To make something appear in the larger quantity than it actually has is called magnify. And its synonym is enlarge, amplify, intensify in a bulk quantity, in a massive quantity. And the next one is nostalgic. Feeling or expressing a longing for the past is called nostalgic. Its synonym is sentimental, wistful, sentimental and wistful. The next one is obsolete. No longer in use or no longer useful is called obsolete. Its synonym is outdated, old-fashioned and antiquated. And these are all the easy words of the vocabulary that will help you to speak for our daily speaking English conversation. Now, go to the second part of this video and let's discuss about some important, some sort of difficult and tricky English words and their vocabulary with right pronunciation, their definitions and their synonyms. First word is ambivalent. Ambivalent means having a mixed or contradictory feelings of to do something or not to do something. Synonym is uncertain, undecided or conflicted. The second one is empathetic. Empathetic, showing or feeling no interest or enthusiasm or concern. Its synonym is indifferent, uninterested, and uncaring is called empathetic. It's called empathetic. And the next one is euphoria. Euphoria. E is silent over there. Euphoria. A feeling of intense happiness or excitement is called euphoria. And the synonym is elation. Elation and jubilation. The happiness or the jubilation. And the next one is enigma. A person or thing that is mysterious or difficult to understand is called enigma. And a synonym is some sort of puzzle, some Pandora box, some mystery, or conundrum, or some sort of confusion. Okay? And the next one is inevitable. Inevitable. Certain to happen or unavoidable. A synonym is unavoidable or certain or inescapable. Like you can't escape through this. Okay? And the next one is lucid. Lucid. Clear and easy to understand is called lucid. Its synonym is easy or comprehensible, or in a very detailed form is called lucid. And the next one is paradox. A paradox. A seemingly contradictory statement or situation that may be true is called paradox. And its synonym is contradiction, some sort of puzzle, and mystery is called paradox. Okay, the next one is prolific. Next one is prolific. Producing many works or result or offspring is called prolific. And its synonym is productive, fertile, and prolific. And the next one is resilient. Resilient. Able to recover quickly from the difficult conditions is called resilient. And its alternative meanings are strong, tough, and adaptable. And the last one word is superfluous. Superfluous. Unnecessary or excessive is called superfluous. Its synonym is extra, redundant and surplus. That's all for today for our English speaking course. I have discussed a very important, some sort of casual and some tricky English vocabulary words which certainly help you in your speaking of English language fluently and confidently. So try to memorize these words. Try to write down in some sort of notebook or in some sort of diary and try to memorize them and get familiar with those vocabulary words and try to use them in your daily English speaking conversation, so it will help you to boost your confidence and you can able to speak English in a more appropriate way. I hope you find my video very productive, knowledgeable and useful to you in any manner and context. So if you really find my video knowledgeable, please go to my channel and subscribe it and give a huge thumbs up and share with your friends and your colleagues. I will inshallah catch you in the day 6 of our spoken English challenge course with new and exciting topic. So till then, have a great care of yourself and remember me in your prayers. Take care. Allah Hafiz.